Hello everyone and welcome to my channel The Gujju Bahu. So let us learn some basic conversation in Gujarati now. But before you go ahead, let us think about your childhood. Not this one perhaps, but this one, in which you are playing video game away from your family's eye with your friends and enjoying, and suddenly your mom appears and she says angrily, "Su kare che? Game ban kar." Meaning, what are you doing? Turn off your game. And you sadly say as a reply, "ઠીક છે મમ્મા, હવે હું અભ્યાસ કરીશ." Meaning, okay mama, now I will go and study. In Gujarati, if you feel hungry, you say, "મને ભૂખ લાગી છે, મને ખાવાનું જોઈએ." Meaning, I am hungry, I want to eat food. If you like something in Gujarati, you say, "મને food," means ખાવાનું. મને ખાવાનું ખૂબ ગમે છે. Clothes, મને કપડાં ખૂબ ગમે છે. This video, મને તમારી વિડિયો ખૂબ ગમે છે. With this, our session is over. So bye-bye. Avjo everyone. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Woo!